Hi. So here in question.controller, we have some actions. For example, in this start, we have a create get action here. When the user click on the add new question button, then this action will call through get request. Then it will send the form to the user. And after adding some values in that form, user click on save button, then it will come on here in create create post action using the post request. Then our system will check either the user is login or not to session. If it's login, then create an object and save the values that come from the view, and send that object in the database. So here is the check. If the error comes, then it shows this error, and the if the user is not logged in, then it system will set the error message, the error code, and display the error. Similarly, in to retrieve all the questions from the database, the user when after login the user will see all the records. Then this action will be called user posts. So here dot find all function will be called without any where clause, because we have to send the all the records. So if there would no error comes, then all the values will be sent to this view, list view. And here we have sent the data that comes from there, and it will be a list of values. The user is not logging. Similarly, the same error message. The personal code, if any user want to see his personal questions that only he has posted, so this method will be called. So similarly the same function dot find all will be called, but in the parameter we will pass the use the where clause, where id is equal to session required by session dot user id that we have created while he was login. So we will search against that id. Similarly, the filter action will be called when the user click on the search page, search and add the title. Then this function will be called. Well, in the requirement, there will be also a start date and end date. I have implemented the code, but it was giving few errors that I haven't used it. But I have searched against the title here. Request body dot. So this request dot body dot title will come when the user like add values in the search bar. So we'll search against and send the. Similarly, the update button, and the user will click on update, and it will send the update form including the values, because when he send the update, he will send the id also. So we will search against that id, the record from the database, and search and send that record back. When the user put the values that need to update, and after clicking on submit button, then this action will be called. It is called updated, and save the values to the data. Similarly, the delete action will be called. It also comes with the id. So we'll search the record and delete it using the dot destroy function. Here the delete all function delete all questions. If we can also give the option, for example, any specific user want to delete all the question that he has posted, so it all this. Okay. So the next is command controller. So I have planned is the how to implement it, but due to the shortage of time, I cannot implement this requirement. But I have made the plan that how we will implement it. In the database, we will have the the command table, and in the command we have two foreign keys. One is from the user, one is from the question. So we will, in the list we will give the comment, view all comments, and delete command. So when we will click on view, comments against specific question in the similarly as the action we have choose in action dot controller to view to find the objects against specific IDs. Similarly, we will find all the comments against that specific question because we have already saved question ID as a foreign key in views table. So we can search it according to all the views against that uh, the specific question. So if a customer of if a user sorry, user we want to delete his views, so he can also delete it because we will search it according to the user ID that we will take from the session and search that his user ID in the comments table because we also have saved the comments in the comments the user ID also. So we'll search that user ID and we can delete it also. But sorry for the for time, I cannot implement that. So I'm making the videos three parts because this software is also have limits. So maybe I have repeat some wordings because I'm talking and after some time it giving the error that the video is stopped already. That's why maybe I speak something repeatedly. Sorry for that. Okay, that's enough for me from my side. And it was something new for me to learn. And Sequelize ORM is also a totally a new thing for me. I never worked on it, and the views, the .pug views have totally different format. So in this 48 hours, I have to learn all these things and implement it. That's why because there is too many things that comes in my mind at this time that I should change this, I should change this one, but I don't have time to like implement these changes. So that's why I'm submitting it. Okay, thank you so much.